morning, Cyndi from the Duluth Center for Women and Children, the Nourish program, formerly Food Forward, still the same though, but we're just called Nourish. And this morning I've got a special guest, Brianna, who's an intern with our program here. You want to say a little bit about you?
Yeah, so I'm a student at UMD. I'm in my senior year, and this is kind of one of those final things I have to do before I graduate, and I'm really excited. I'm really grateful that I get to work with everybody here, because it's so awesome, and I'm just really grateful that this is like my internship, kind of a cherry on top of my graduate years.
Oh, nice.
Undergrad, sorry, not in graduate school.
Okay, so today we're making a chicken dish, and it's called butter chicken. It's an Indian dish. Have you ever had butter chicken?
Yes, and
okay.
I love butter chicken.
Yes. So in your kit, you're going to have a little bag with your rice, because this dish is going to go as a gravy over your rice. There's a little seed. I got to get my notes here. There's a little spice pack that I'm going to put in. But in your kit, you're going to be getting a garlic paste.
Yeah, garlic ginger paste.
Garlic ginger paste. Today we've got dried. In here we've got, this will be your gravy, and it's pureed tomato paste. What else was in there, Brianna?
Coconut milk.
Little honey.
And then a bunch of seasonings. We have like, I think there's like cardamom seeds and fenugreek, and then mace powder. Looks like that, not the Macy spray.
I'll turn this one on for you.
Thank you.
And we'll start to melt that butter.
Okay.
Gonna put our spice packet in there. We just want to simmer that.
Aparna mentioned that there's a certain like chili pepper powder or something in it.
Yeah, cashier chili. High in color, low in heat.
Kashmir chili powder.
I just put the rice into the water. Now I'm going to let this boil until the rice is tender. Then I'll strain it. Cover it and let it simmer for a few minutes while the rice finishes. How did the chicken get to the other side of the road or something like that?
Do you know the answer to that?
No.
I don't either.
Not the real answer.
I don't think there is a real
Isn't
answer.
it to get to the other side though?
Yeah, but I don't understand it. I don't think I've ever understood it. It's looking good. It's starting to simmer a little bit, and I feel like it's starting to stick to the chicken a little bit more than it was before. It's definitely becoming more of like a gravy we can like pour on top of the rice. So we just kind of adjusted the heat accordingly so it's not bubbling too much. But I believe that the heat really like brings out the dry seasonings, spices and stuff that like come in the sauce. So that like simmering point is kind of like important for cooking and bringing out the flavors.
Well, so I just took and I set a few little kernels out here. If they're tender enough that I can break them with my spatula, I would say they're done. And this is not done quite yet.
I think rice usually takes like 7 minutes. It's kind of like pasta.
Yeah, it just depends. What do you think, Brianna?
I think maybe like another like minute or two.
Okay.
So, yeah.
There, that's better. You can kind of tell because those granules start clumping up.
Ooh, zooey mama. This smells divine. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That is healing to the soul. We did it. We did it today.
We did it. Yeah. Thank you for cooking with me, Brianna.
Thank you for teaching me your ways. This was awesome. I've been looking forward to this for so long.
No, I'm glad to have you. Really, truly.
I'm glad to be here.
So, what do we do next?
Toodles! Toodles!
That was so fun.
That was fun.
Yeah, you made it extra fun.